reflection of the millennia-long history that shaped our nation. It is in colored stained glass and rock-solid concrete. Among those who can lead, win, and keep striding forward. What is Ukraine now? It is in ruined squares and cities. Kharkiv, Mariupol, Sumy, Chernihiv, and the courage of its military, volunteers, of each and every citizen. It is in addresses of the President to his people and the world. Today, Ukraine is the world. Slava Ukraini.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live from Poland. I'm Don Arleth.
I'm Ida Novakovska, and from Ukraine.
Hello, I'm Masha Yefrosinina.
Hello, my name is Timur Miroshnichenko.
Good evening. Today, we are uniting with the whole world for an international charity marathon. Thank you for joining us for Save Ukraine.
So we are here for a special invitation from Embassy of Ukraine in Warsaw. Just few blocks away is Central Railway Station, welcoming hundreds of passengers from Ukraine every day. Just few kilometers away are East and West railway stations. Like Central Railway Station, they have special zones where passengers from Ukraine can rest, eat, and prepare to the rest of their journey. Many Polish volunteers are providing aid in this area. Ukrainian. And I think that for finish our calling, we should do it all together. So, 3, 2, 1. And one more time. Thank you very much. Greetings from Warsaw. Pozdrawiamy serdecznie z Warszawy. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, and Slava Ukraini!
Героям слава!
Я Полак. Всім українцям хочу сказати, що Польща сьогодні – це наш спільний дім.
Serca, choć dookoła sroga zima. Hejo, zmarznięte usta, okrzyk wolny w Ukrainie. Bella Ukraina, kiedy razem jesteśmy jak rodzina, jest nadzieja, człowiek się przypomina. Bella Ukraina.
Поки нам дім іде в дорогу, і наша дружба не загине. Прийшов вже час подати руку Україні.
Drodzy ukraińscy przyjaciele, oba nasze narody kochają wolność i nigdy nie pozwolą sobie jej odebrać. Jesteśmy sobie bardzo bliscy już od wieków, ale dziś łączą nas szczególne więzy. Dlatego niesiemy wam pomoc i wsparcie.
Misguided decision to invade a peaceful, unthreatening neighbor. The song is once again a plea for our common humanity. for the brave Ukrainians fighting against this brutal tyranny, and also the many Russians who are protesting this outrage despite the threat of arrest and imprisonment. We, all of us, love our children. Stop the war.
Khrushchev said we will bury you. I don't subscribe to this point of view. Either side of the political fence, we share the same biology, regardless of ideology. Believe me when I say to you, I hope the Russians love their children too. That the Russians love their children too.
People and our children too, but Mr. Putin, we don't see and don't believe that you love our children because they are dying because of you. We have a special video from famous athletes who are also with us right now.
We support our organization Save Ukraine. It's very important to help Ukraine right now.
Your support is crucially important, especially with the defensive weapons. If you cannot close our sky, we're gonna do it on our own. Just give us with what? With a fist, it's gonna be difficult. Give us defensive weapons.
As soon as possible, peace in our country.
Help Ukraine overcome this horrific war. Help Ukraine to survive. Help Ukraine to rebuild.
Ми чуємо вибухи, з місця невибуху Росії їде техніка.
Я нагадаю, що росіяни обстріляли житлові будинки.
Now the United Kingdom is the next country to join us. United Kingdom, oh, here you are, so many people around you. Does everyone stand with Ukraine?
Slava Ukraini! From the capital of the United Kingdom.
Diese Menschen wollen dir zeigen, lieber Präsident, dass dein Volk nicht alleine ist. Lieber Präsident, du siehst Menschen, die tief beeindruckt sind. Beeindruckt vom Mut, mit dem dein Volk für Demokratie, für Freiheit und für Frieden kämpft.
jest.